especially because, to your point, there are 20 charges. We know she's been charged with first-degree murder, 2 counts of felony murder. The underlying felony are counts of aggravated child abuse, aggravated child neglect, tampering with evidence, 12 counts of a false report, abuse of a corpse, and failure to report a death under suspicious or unusual circumstances. They're throwing the book at her in terms of all the charges they can stack against her. That's a lot for any jury to sort through.
And the jury won't do it because we know that juries are comprised of human beings, not robots. So they're going to gravitate towards the inflammatory. There's too much inflammation in this case. There's too much inflammatory content. There's a lot of people in the jury who'll say, I would never do this. I would never do something like that. I mean, and they would be right? A reasonable person wouldn't do it. But when you have a grizzled veteran as a trier of fact, you have, I'm not saying you have a slam dunk. Either way, the deck is stacked against you. But you just have a little bit of a better, like a person who's seen these fact patterns for decades, right? Because the judge doesn't look like he's 20. Looks like he's the type of person who's seen these types of grotesque fact patterns either in his cases or in his courtroom for decades. And so you just have a little bit of a better shot at having that grizzled veteran peer through the inflammation and just maybe make a better decision.